Barangay Maasin amounting to 6 million. Wait lang. Fiscal year. Here, sorry, okay. Amounting to 5,988,923 pesos is now called to order. The chair would like to acknowledge our colleagues here. Let's start Councilor Christopher Romero, Councilor Joel Meneses, Councilor Doc Joselito Quinto, Councilor Attorney Fernando Juan Cabrera, and the Vice Chair of Committee, Councilor Juby Friade. I'd also like to acknowledge our SB Secretary, Sir Juan Aquino, and our SB staff present. Before we start po, maybe ask you to introduce yourselves and your position po. Thank you.
Your Honor, good afternoon. Florida Garcia, Punong Barangay.
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. I'm Ronald Carlos, Barangay Kagawad.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Terry James Castro, Barangay Secretary.
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. I'm Mark Alfie Prazo, Barangay Kagawad.
Your Honor, I'm Robert Kumolik, Barangay Kagawad.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm Mateo Maure, Barangay Kagawad.
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. Romulo G. Aligato Jr., Barangay Kagawad.
Good afternoon po, Barangay Kagawad Pwede Putila po.
Good afternoon po, Rolly Gubatan, Barangay Kagawad.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm President. Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm President Avalos Aquino, the SQ Chairperson of Barangay Maasin.
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. I'm Ryan Prado, SK Kagawad.
Good afternoon po. I'm Carla Padilla, SK member of Barangay Maasin.
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. I'm Maria Alaya Prado po, XK Treasurer.
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. I'm Charlene Joy Camarangan, SK member of Barangay Maasin.
Good afternoon po, I'm Joshua Guzman, SK Kagawad po.
Sorry, when you say SK member, SK Kagawad. Kasi may KK members na. SK Kagawad.
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. I'm Bertling Ogotango,
Sorry, very naling. What's
at Gotanggogan po.
Batang Logan?
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. I'm Katrina Rosario, SK Kagawad po.
Good afternoon po, Your Honor. Christine Oka, SK member. Yep. Good afternoon po, Julie Nicaldea, SK Secretary.
Thank you so much, and we appreciate the Committee on Appropriations and Ways and Means appreciates po that you're 100% complete in this hearing. We would like to acknowledge the arrival of Councilor Attorney Joseph Emmanuel Serra, as well as the member of our local finance committee from the Budget Office, Planning Office. I received a text message from our treasurer, Ma'am Malu Gavino, that she will be absent this afternoon's session. So we can proceed. Alright, so let's go directly po sa inyong budget, no? Let's look at page 5. Unahin muna natin yung receipts program. Pwede pahingin yung final copy, yung ETA. Meron yung copy niyo po. Or can I have another copy? Ito yung parang sabi ko kay Kapitan na parang draft yung nasa akin. Baka may ibang kopya. Okay, let's go to your receipts program po. Question, nagsisingil po ba ang Maasin ng for barangay clearance or other certificates na kinakailangan ng mga residents, like mga permits, gano'n?
Hindi po.
Alright, so there's no ordinance po, no? Alright. Before we proceed, let's acknowledge also the SK Federation President, Councilor Harold Bautista. Yes, proceed, Kapitan. Page 5. Sige po. Okay. So since hindi po kayo naniningil, ano po yung nakalagay dyan, Kapitana, na other receipts, no? Kung titignan natin, yung actual collection na nasa Barangay Maasin was 31,480 pesos. And then, for 2023, ang inyong projection ay 60,000. And for this year is 60,000. So parang nagdoble. Ano po yung other receipts na dumarating sa pondo ng Maasin na nakalagay po dyan? Kung hindi po kayo naniningil ng mga business permits.
Ito po yung galing sa municipality. Parang grant and donation ba yun? Binigyan ni Mayor po yan. Yung fiesta, tapos yung barangay na.
Okay. Meron po tayong bagong format na ginagamit, tama ba? Sinong sa secretary ba to or treasurer? Yes. Hindi nyo ginamit yung bagong format na pinagawa ng treasurer or ng budget office? Kasi doon nakalagay yung aid from municipality, aid from provincial. Yun yung hinahanap ko kasi ito ata yung old format pa. Can you correct me if I'm wrong?
Bali, nung May 24 na po ata yan na pa-receive, sir, kaya medyo, ano.
Kailan yung seminar nyo sa Baguio? I think doon sinabi na gamitin nyo yung bagong format.
Nakapag-submit na po kasi kami ng May 24, sir.
At hindi nyo na binago.
Hindi na po na-revise ni Treasurer po.
Sino yung treasurer nyo?
Si Roberto, sir, wala siya ngayon.
Okay.
Nagkataon na hospital.
Alright. I'm asking po kasi doon po sa bagong format natin, nakalagay po doon yung aid na binibigay ng munisipyo, aid ng province. Kaya po, tinanong ko kung saan po galing yung pondo. Kasi sabi nyo, hindi po kayo naniningil ng barangay clearance. So, nagiging specific lang din po tayo. Okay? May iba pa po ba kayong china-charge sa barangay po ninyo? Or eto lang talaga? So, tatlo lang po talaga yung sources of income po ng barangay? Or sources of revenue?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. At hindi na ito pinabago yung format ng budget office. Itong form na ito nung chinek nila. Yes, Ma'am Benny, please. Kasi parang sila lang yung may ganito pang format.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Kasi po ang Barangay Maasin ang isa po sa mga naunang barangay na patuloy na gawa na nila yung budget prior to yung pagpunta nila sa seminar. Kaya in-approve sinotify na namin na compliant. Although na-review na rin ng budget staff yung mga figures nila dyan and corrected na po. So, available na yung kanilang mga debt fund, calamity, escape fund, yung kanilang PS Cup, nakakomply na po, discretionary fund.
Sige, before we proceed, Ma'am Benny, thank you po. So, ang concern ko lang yung form. Anong barangay pa po yung may hindi gumamit ng bagong form? Yung mga naunang nagsubmit. Kasi we only received this ng May 24. No? May 24 lang natin ito natanggap. It was na-approve yung January 6, na-endorse ng local finance ng May 22, natanggap ng SB ng May 24. At ang first committee hearing ay May 29. So ito na yung second committee hearing kasi hindi po kayo dumalo ng first natin. So ito na yung second committee hearing. Ano po mga barangay po?
Mr. Chair, so far, Maasin na lang po ang hindi namin pinabago. All others, we enjoin them to follow the new forms, to use them.
Sige po. Sige po. Let's proceed. Okay, so any questions po from my colleagues sa receipts program ng Maasin? Okay, hearing none. Let's go to the expenditure program na po, no? Sa PS services. Nakita po namin na tumaas yung inyong allocation from 2023 to 2024 from 3.7 million to 3.1 million for salaries for honoraria. Meron po ba kayo mga bagong personnel na ginawa or pinasahod or nagdagdag po kayo ng tao?
Nagdagdag lang po kami ng 4 na tao. Isang BSW, 3 utility. Saka nagkaroon po ng maliit na increase para sa mga tanos po. Kasi sila po yung talagang hardworking, especially pag nag-duty sila sa gabi. Hanggang madaling araw sila. Tapos nagraramo sila talaga.
Magkano po tinaas na sahod nila? Wow. So, ilan po lahat ang tanod ninyo, Consi? 50 tanod?
Yes. Andito na po nakaplantilya na lang yung mga
correct.
family namin.
So 15 tanod, hindi kayo nagdagdag, pero tinaasan nyo yung sahod nila.
Yes po, yes.
Okay. And let's go to your utility expenses, no? Okay, ito po, yung sa utility expense, kung makikita nyo po dyan, ang question ko, kung doon sa, ano po natin, doon sa other receipts, no, parang dumoble yung proposal natin from the actual na 31.4 to 60. Dito naman po sa utility expenses, bumawas siya ng almost like half, no? Yung actual po ninyo dyan is 396,000 noong 2023, yung actual meaning noong 2022, and then noong 2023, 355,222. But this year, you are proposing a utility expense of 138,950. Bakit po sobrang bumaba ng gano'n? Ano po yung mga measures ninyo or ano yung mga binabayarang utility expense dito? Just to be specific.
Estimated lang po yan. Oh, yan. Sa electricity po, kasi nagkaroon na po kami ng maraming solar sa mga areas namin. So, halos kalahati po ang nabawas doon.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So more on electricity po kayo nagbawas, Consi?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. How about sa water bill po ninyo?
Same pa rin po. What?
Alright. I'm also specifying po, kasi doon sa bagong format, naka-specify po yung electricity, yung water, no? Ito sa old format lang nakalagay yung general na utility expenses. The Chair would like to acknowledge Councilor Lian Maramba. Welcome. Thank you for attending. Okay. Any other questions from my colleagues po on their expenditure program? Okay. Hearing none. Councilor Joel, you have any questions? Kasi meron na sila what do you call this? Program of works eh. The only barangay who actually submitted. Of course, definitely. Alright, sige. Let's, Consi, can you just drive us through your development programs, no? So, you are spending 518,000 for additional installation of barangay street lights. And you are also allocating 300,000 renovation of barangay buildings. Anong streetlights po to? Solar din po ba? Kasi nagbawas tayo ng budget ng kuryente.
Yes po, then solar street light po.
Mga ilan po at saang zone po?
16 set sa puro 2.
Oo nga, medyo.
Kasi doon na lang area po ang oo. Yung 1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay na dun eh. Tapos yun yung purpose, yun yung laging brown out po ba o hindi?
Yes po.
Lalo ka rin mga message sa pag maasin na purok dos, gano'n. Nawala ng kuryente. So this is a good initiative po, no? Kasi at least no solar, kasi ang walang power supply, may kuryente, may ilaw pa rin, no? Alright. Habang dito sa drainage canal nyo, Councilor, saan nyo po ito balak ay pagawa?
Sa Zone 3. Kasi tuwing ulan doon, baha ang mga paligid nila. Nag-i-stack yung tubig sa harapan ng bahay. Kawawa yung mga tao maglalabas. Walang abusan.
Yung property doon ba yung sa may school? Likod?
Likod sa likod. Very crowded sa area na yun. Ang total ng botante doon, walang 1,000 sa area. Kaya ni-request nila, kaya hindi naman namin mapahindian. Recently, since nung ni-require nyo po yung program of works, yun, pinagawa ko na po sa kanila.
Sorry, I have to make this, and I have to emphasize this na sobrang na-appreciate ko lagi ang Maasin because you always provide us with this. Kasi, bakit po ba tinatanong ng Committee on Appropriations ang Program of Works? Ito po ay mula sa guidance ng Commission on Audit, no? Dahil nakalagay dyan kung ilang piraso yung gagamitin, ano yung mga gagamitin. So, it's checking the quality and the quantity of materials that will be used, no? And you're spending people's money to allocate to these projects, no? Kaya it's Uncle Joel who strictly asks for such dahil yun din po yung guidance ng COA sa atin. And but again, we've decided na rin, di ba, before na it's under COA na rin po, no? Pero tayo talaga na we have to see if their allocation is kasi ito po, ang common na observation ng COA. For example, magpapagawa po kami ng kanal. Saan? Zone 3. Gaano kahaba? Sa committee hearing, sasabihin nila, I'm not specifying kung saan barangay. Kwento lang po ito ng COA. For example, ang haba na gagawin ay 100 meters. Pero pagdating sa actual project, naging 50 meters yung 100 meters. Dahil hindi nila na-anticipate na tumaas yung mga materials, no, na gagamitin. Yung expense, no. So, yun yung isa sa mga findings ng COA na sinishare po nila sa akin and sinishare ko rin sa mga kasama natin. That's why we're asking sana rin ito. But again, I have to commend the barangay for submitting this to the Committee on Appropriations. Okay? Any other questions? Ako, I don't have any questions. Nasagot na lahat ni Councilor Flory yung questions ko. Any other questions or insight that you would like to share? Pero wala po kayong ginawa na bagong posisyon. Kung dinagdagdag lang po. Correct.
Walang bagong posisyon.
Correct. Okay. And wala kayong plan to have parang service fees na i-charge sa barangay. For example, service fees kasi, like, that's valid naman nga. For example, for the mga clearances, permits in your barangay. Yes, Consul.
Hindi na po kasi may pera naman ang barangay. Kumbaga tulong na lang namin yun sa kabarangayan namin. Yung free lahat.
That's good. That's good. And that's basic service. Alright. With that, I don't have any other questions about my colleagues po. Again, we appreciate the insight of Ma'am Benny. Kasi, yun nga, medyo nalito lang ako dun sa format, but at least sinabi naman ni Ma'am Benny na isa pala kayo sa mga nauna na nag-submit, no? With that, any other questions from my colleagues? Hearing none, what is the favor of Barangay Council of Maasin?
Karawan mi pa siya ipasayo so budget ni.
Oo, na siya dyan. Kailangan na natin siya. Councilor Joby Frialde, may I ask you to put that into motion?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. My colleagues, may I respectfully move for the approval of the annual investment plan of Barangay Maasin as well as their annual budget amounting to 5,988,923 operative for their operations, covering the fiscal year 2024 be approved in the committee level.
It has been moved and seconded that the annual budget of Barangay Maasin be approved on the committee level. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the budget of Barangay Maasin for fiscal year 2024 amounting to 5,988,923 pesos, as well as their annual investment plan for 2024 be approved. Sorry, is now hereby approved under the committee level.